How to add multiple photos or videos in one Instagram story. So if you want to add multiple photos or videos in one Instagram story, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Go with the upper left, which has your story option. Tap on camera, and from here you can simply select a video at first. So go with your gallery and then select a video. Once you've selected the video, you can simply adjust it, crop or adjust it wherever you like. And once you've selected, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that avatar stickers. Tap on it. Now under stickers, here you will have an option of photo. Tap on photo and then select your photos. Once you've selected, you can just adjust the photo wherever you like. And after that, again, go with the stickers option, which is on the upper right, and again tap on photo and choose another photo. Now again adjust it. In this way, you can add 2 or 3 photos or multiple photos. So once you've added this, now you just need to simply go with your story and post it. So that's how you can add multiple photos or videos in one Instagram story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.